So now that I've showed you how to create a site off of using a template, now we're going to start to edit it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you can see obviously there's a bunch of already things plugged in, but now we're going to go edit them and change them to make them specific to my class. So if you press the pencil up here, it will go into the edit the page. And now you can see you can click on anything or any area and it will allow you to delete and change. And so you can change it to home, you can change it to however you would like. So since we are fourth grade, I'll take fourth grade. We've seen how we had that before we had that graph or that pie chart there. So we can go in and we can delete it straight out, or you can leave it in there and change the picture and change it. And that's what I'm going to show you here now, is to go in into insert and click image, and then you can upload one from, I have it on my desktop. Let's see, there it is. Click on the picture you want to upload, go ahead, it'll take a little bit to upload. Once it's uploaded, make sure it's selected and then click OK, and then you'll see that the picture pops up. Then you can go in and edit the text down below and simply type in maybe what they're doing. And then you can go up and click save when you are done doing that. That will save your site from everything that you did. And now you'll be able to see that we can go in and edit more when we need to coming up. So we can click on the assignment calendar, we can go back up to the edit, and we can go in and change whatever we would like on this as well.